Hello everyone from FERRO EQUIP. Introducing the body evolution to transfer the patient from chair to the vehicle or any other use. The body of evolution is placed close to the patient. It has belts, which is lowered by turning the lever and fit through a strap to a base. The feet must be put on the footrest, and by turning the lever, the patient is lifted from the chair. The backrest is attached and locked. Then it is ready to move the patient from one place to another. We are transferring the patient to the vehicle, which has a rotary seat. The seat is rotated first. The backrest is opened or it can be removed. The patient is brought near the vehicle, lifted or lowered to a suitable height, and the patient is placed into the vehicle. Wheels are locked. The patient is lowered to the seat of the vehicle. Belts are unlocked and removed. Wheels locked are released, and the evolution body transfer device has been moved back so that we can turn the patient and place the vehicle.